Now the next question. The type of isomerism shown by the complex COCl2 En whole square is. Now its solution. In the given compound, coordination number of CO is 6 and this compound has octahedral geometry. Here is its structure given. Now there are two possible. One is trans form and the second one is cis form. In trans, En are on opposite side and Cl are on opposite side, and in cis form they are on diagonally. They are not in front of them. So as per the given option, type of isomerism is geometrical isomerism.